Hi Excel friends, this is Enrico Galli, and in this video I will show you how to copy and paste across filtered ranges with Excel Swiss Knife. So just a quick recap before showing the example. Excel Swiss Knife is a free and open source add-in, VBA add-in for Microsoft Excel version 2010 and later. It features more than 100 different tools, mainly focused on importing, manipulating and exporting your data. It will add a new tab to your Excel ribbon. So you see there's several different categories and all the tools are accessible through these menus. So we have this little table with dummy data, and what we want to do is filter every name that has the green color and copy and paste the first column, so the name column, over the C column. If I try to do this using Excel basic functions, so I filter green and try to copy and paste here, you see that it doesn't work correctly. In fact, if I take out the filter from the color column, you see that it did paste my names, my filtered names, but it did it in consecutive cells, so not ignoring the rows that were filtered that were invisible at that stage. So I created a little tool that solves this problem. Here we go. Again, we just filter the green color. We select the filtered name column, and in the Swiss Knife tab, we go to Cells and Ranges, copy and paste only visible cells. It opens this little user interface. Range to copy is my pre-selected range, and destination, first upper left cell. So I have to click on this control and click on the first cell of the destination range. So it's a C3. I can choose keep formatting if I want, and run. And you see that it has pasted correctly, ignoring the filtered rows, the hidden rows, or rows whose height is equal to 0 anyway. So if I cancel my filter from this column, here we go, you can see my names match correctly. So I think we're done with this little example. Let me know if you want to see more videos in English. This actually was my first video in English, and so I guess it was not great, but I tried. And put a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe the channel if you want to see more tutorials on the tools offered by Excel Swiss Knife. Thank you.